Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so for math, we are on lesson 5. Should look like this. I started the example already. So lesson 5 right here. Okay. Looking at the problem set, number 1. Cole read his book for 25 minutes yesterday and for 28 minutes today. How many minutes did Cole read altogether? Model the problem on the number line and write an equation to solve. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to draw our number line for our example. Okay. Okay, so all it says is Cole reads his book for 25 minutes. So we don't even need to worry about the hour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a 0 there for 0 minutes. And then how many minutes are in an hour? Let's think about that for a minute. I would always write it up here, 1 hour or blank minutes. See if you can remember. Okay, if you said 60, you would be correct. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put 5, 10. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and mark them by the 10s. Just so it's easier for us. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. So he read his book for 25 minutes yesterday. 25, and that was yesterday. Okay. So I'm going to find the 25. Found the 25. I'm going to go ahead and do that. That was yesterday. Okay. And then it says, and he read 28 minutes today. 28 minutes today. So we need to count 28 extra minutes. So we know that these are 5s. So from 25 to 30, that's 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then we would get to 30, which is higher than 28. And we know there are 4 tick marks in between each one. So 25, 26, 27, 28. There should be 1 small tick mark between our dot and 55. So the question is, how many minutes did Cole read all together? So if you look, we're at 50, 51, 52, 53. Up here I have 53 minutes. The total amount of minutes that he read. We can double check that by adding these 2 numbers together. 5 plus 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. So we put the second number down here. So the 3 goes down there and the 1 goes up there. 13. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 more is 5. I got 53. Does it match? Yep, it matches. So down here, Cole read for 53 minutes. Okay. Go ahead and write that down. Okay. Number 2, Tessa spends 34 minutes washing her dog. It takes her 12 minutes to shampoo and rinse the rest of the tub to get the dog, it takes her 12 minutes to shampoo and rinse, and the rest of the time is to get the dog in the bathtub. How many minutes does Tessa spend getting her dog in the bathtub? Draw a number line to model the problem and write an equation to solve. Okay, let's do a number line. And there are no times. Oh, wait. Yeah, there are no times. So we're just going to go ahead and do 0 and 60 again, because that's just minutes in an hour. Let's mark our 5. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. And you should be drawing this on your paper as well. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause it. Okay. Okay, so it says that she spends 34 minutes washing her dog. So I'm just gonna go ahead to the 30, and I'm gonna draw those 4 extra tick marks in there, okay? 31, 32, 33, 34. So the last tick mark. I'm just gonna draw a line up. This is how long it takes her to wash her dog. So I'm going to put wash dog. Okay? And then I'm just going to go ahead and with a different color so we can see this a little bit better. So it says it takes her 12 minutes to shampoo and rinse. So I'm going to go ahead to the 10. And I'm going to draw those 4 check mark or tick marks again. Can you see those? Yeah, a little bit. 10, 11, 12. So right here, the second one. From there to there, that's how long it takes to wash and rinse. Okay? Sorry, that's a little hard to read. It says wash and rinse above the line. It says, or to shampoo and rinse. And the rest of the time to get the dog in the tub. How many minutes does Tessa spend getting her dog in the bathtub? So from here to here is how long it takes her getting her dog in the tub. So we can go ahead and get a different color. Hopefully it will show up. I've been having issues with that lately. I'm gonna go ahead and put those 4 tick marks in. Are those able to be seen? Nope, those are not able to be seen. Kind of. I'm going to go ahead and put those 4 tick marks in. Okay? So you could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I have 22 minutes that she spent getting her dog into the bath. So this was us drawing a number line to model, and it says, and write an equation. So we knew that it took her 34 minutes to wash her dog, right? I'm gonna go ahead and put a 0 there because 0 hours, but it was 34 minutes, okay? And we knew that it was 0 hours, but 12 minutes to shampoo. Okay? So what we can do is subtract that 12 minutes from the total. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. So 22 minutes to get her dog into the tub. Okay? So it wants you to have the number line and the equation. So go ahead and write all of that down on number 2 for the problem set. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to pause this video and do number 3. I'll read the directions for number 3. Tessa walks her dog for 47 minutes. Jeremiah walks his dog for 30 minutes. How many more minutes does Tessa walk her dog than Jeremiah? Okay, so I'm going to have you pause this video and go ahead and do that. And when you play the video, we will be on number 4 for the problem set. Okay. Okay, hopefully you paused the video and you worked on number 3. Number 4, it says, it takes Austin 4 minutes to take out the garbage, 12 minutes to wash the dishes, and 13 minutes to mop the kitchen floor. How long does it take Austin to do his chores? Okay, so we're going to do the exact same thing we did for number 2. We're going to do the number line, and we're also going to do a problem. So we're going to go ahead and do the same number line. 60 and 0. Okay, this should be on your paper because it is always very important to show your work. Okay, so it takes him 4 minutes to take out the garbage. So I know that 4 is less than 5, so I'm going to go ahead and put those 4 little tick marks. So 0 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. That small amount of time is for the garbage. I'm just going to put G for garbage. Okay, then it says it takes 12 minutes to wash the dishes. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 4 tick marks in between all of these just to make our lives easier. Okay, 4 tick marks in between each one. If you need to pause the video to do all of your tick marks, that's fine as well. So it says 12 minutes to wash the dishes. So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So it takes him this amount of time to wash the dishes. I'm going to put WD for wash dishes. And then it says 13 minutes to mop the kitchen floor. So we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right here is for mopping the kitchen. So the question is, how long does it take Austin to do his chores? Well, since we already have all of them lined up, we see it's right before the 30, it's 1 less than 30. So what's 30 minus 1? Think about it for a minute. 30 minus 1. Should have gotten 29. So according to our number line, we have 20, it took Austin 29 minutes to do his chores. We can double check that with our equation. 4 minutes for garbage, so 0 hours, 0, 4, right? Because this is the tens place. So if we put the 4 there, it would be 40. So we need the 4 in the ones place. I'm going to go ahead and put garbage next to it so we know what we're talking about. Garbage. 12 minutes for dishes. 0 hours. 1, 2. That's for dishes. And lastly, 13 minutes for mopping. Mop. Okay, go ahead and add those all together because you want the total. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, that's 2, 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, so that's 9. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus another 1 is 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus another 0 is 0. 0 hours, but 29 minutes, does that match? Yes, it matches. So it takes Austin 29 minutes to do his chores. Okay. That was 4A, so now we're moving on to 4B. 4B, Austin's bus arrives at 7:55. If he starts his chores at 7:30, will he be done in time to meet his bus? Explain your reasoning, okay? Let's do our number line. Okay. This time we actually have a time. So we're in the hour of 7 because 7:55 is when his bus arrives, and if he starts his chores at 7:30, so we're in 7 o'clock. Have a start time. 1 hour away from 7 o'clock is 8 o'clock. Those aren't spread out as evenly as I'd like, but that's okay. I might just do this instead. Better. Okay. So then we have 7:05, 7:10, 7:15, 7:20, 7:25, 7:30, 7:35, 7:40, 7:45, 7:50, and then 7:55. So if he starts his chores at 7:30, that's right here, 7:30. Will he be done in enough time to meet his bus at 7:55? So with this red, I'm just going to show right here is 7:55. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put those 4 tick marks in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Just to make my life easier. Okay. Looking back at 4A, we know that it takes him 29 minutes. We just figured that out in the last problem. If you're confused, we're right here. 4A was the how long it takes him to do his chores. Oops, sorry. And we are at 4B right now, okay? So we know it takes him 29 minutes. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Nice little dot there. Okay. If he starts his chores at 7:30, sorry, there's tape on here. Okay. If he starts his chores at 7:30, will he finish his chores by this bolded time right here? The answer is no. He ended at, this is 7:55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 59. Okay? So I'm going to show you what to write because it says Austin's bus arrives at 7:55. If he starts his chores at 7:30, will he be done in time to meet his bus? Explain your reasoning. Sometimes we get a little ahead of ourselves and forget to explain. So we have to write no, comma, because. You have to explain why he won't meet his bus. I'm going to say because his chores take him 29 minutes. Comma. If he starts at 7:30, he will not end until what time? 7. Oh, that is not a 7. I said a 5. 7:59. Okay, so if you need to go ahead and pause this, go right ahead. All I'm expecting you to do also is pause this video and work on number 5 for the problem set. Okay. Then you are expected to do your exit ticket, which is 1 problem. And then there are 2 assignments for homework, which are just like our problem set today. Okay, and I will be posting the answer key for you to be checking your work. I will also be checking your work as well when you send them in. So yeah, if any of you have any questions, please let me know. And I can't wait to see you guys on Monday. All right, bye guys.